So I have the first grip, crush. The thumb is behind the ear, okay, on the side, as you can see, behind the ear. And basically here, if I want to go with the underhook, okay, it's really hard for my hand to go deep if I don't spin. So a lot of times when I'm here, I'll post my leg on the ground. If I'm holding with a cross grip with my right hand, my right foot's on the ground, and I'll start moving my hip that way and spinning my head the other way. That allows my hand to go deeper. You see how my hand is going deeper? So basically here, you're gonna kind of grab the lapel, okay? And then you're gonna loosen up both hands, because that allows you to go deep. If you keep the tight grip, what happens, it's really hard to get in. So once you post and you start spinning, you grab the collar, loosen up the grip. Look, my both thumbs are up, then close it. And now I'm gonna kind of loosen up so he doesn't tap. Go ahead and try to escape. Crunch, okay, and arch. And that's all it takes.